guys, I'm Chantel Ray, and I've struggled with my weight my entire life. But recently, I just lost over 40 pounds. I want to show you how I can eat without depriving myself of all the foods that I love. Normally, I eat 80% clean and 20% whatever I want, but this past week, I actually ate super duper clean, which I don't recommend eating too clean because then you start craving all this crazy stuff, which I'm doing right now. In order to get yourself satiated, you want to eat exactly what your body is craving. In my book, I talk about 10 Chantel Ray Way Principles, and number 9 is portion it out. A good method to keep your portions under control is to cut everything in halves or quarters. When you eat a burger, cut it into 4s and only eat like 2 or 3 pieces instead of the whole thing. Eat what you want and savor what you actually eat. Don't smother your salad in dressing. Get it on the side and only use what you need to get all of the flavor.